to your staff profiles, there seem to be a lot of people from different disciplines. We're wondering whether um, the combination of different disciplines was a reflection of the innovative side of your work. Like, do you see that there are a lot of other companies using the same sort of talents towards the same social aims?
Yeah, to be perfectly frank, my background, I'm not really involved in sort of the whole design industry. In the sense that obviously I am in my job now.
Yeah.
But my background, I studied design at uni, but my background is actually in business management and sustainability. And so I haven't worked for other agencies, and I don't really know a great deal about them, but I can talk about us. We draw a lot of inspiration from an American company called IDEO, who they started off as product designers, so industrial designers, and they have this great process that they sort of we have adopted, and it's become very much mainstream in the design community. But just getting people, in a participatory sense, but getting people from different backgrounds, and everyone comes with a very different perspective. And so it really provides a richer set of opportunities or ideas or thoughts about how to resolve specific problems or situations that you're asked to design for. And so with us, what a traditional way of doing things might be that you have a web producer comes up with a concept and a strategy, writes that, maybe with an account director, that does all the wireframes, gives that to a designer, they colour it in, give that to a developer, they create all the functionality, and it gets deployed onto the web. But what we do is we bring the developer and bring the designer and the producer, along with a person called an experienced architect, together to discuss problems right from the very start of the project. And developers have a very different perspective on how you should do things, or they think differently. They're just wired differently, which enables them to do what they do, and it's not something I could ever do. And so that provides really valuable input. And same with the visual designer, they're inspired by different things, they think about different things, their history is made up of different things. In the same way for myself, like when I get invited to join in these discussions, like my background is very different than everyone else's. Like I've got a history in environmental management and community development and sustainability, and being able to contribute the way my perspective of the things that I think about just provides more options, and you inevitably get better ones as a result.